Who would ever believe that this amazing Rolls Royce was constructed in Africa, in Nigeria? Surprised, right? Africans have proven so many times that they are so talented and can do whatever anybody else can do elsewhere. Today, we will introduce to you a young African, an Igbo man from Nigeria who has wowed the world with a great masterpiece.
There is one that I'm seeing in my dreams. Yes, that I've not seen that kind of car in the whole world. When you start work, if you are doing something now, you'll be seeing it. It's going. It's going. It's not you. It's something inside
you.
Yes.
Telling you do it this way. Do this one.
Do it like I had. Do it like this.
Something amazing that's happening in Africa, that's happening in Nigeria. I know you will not believe it, but this is happening right here in Nigeria. Can you see this? This is made in Africa. This is made in Nigeria. Hello people, this is Urbanized Media. Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a new video, you'll get notified. So my people, we are today in Owerri in Anambra State. And guess who we are with today? We are with this amazing engineer. He has done so many things and you need to see what he did this time around. Before we go, let's just introduce him to you guys. This is the engineer we are talking about. And his name is Mr. Nonso Offor. Good afternoon, sir.
You're welcome.
It's a nice thing to meet you today after hearing about you and so many things that you have been doing after all this while. So we'd like to know more about your vehicle construction. That's the main reason that brought us here today, because we have seen so many videos on the internet about this amazing work, and we said that this talent needs to be projected to the world, for the world to see what Africans, what Nigerians, what Igbos can do. So we want to know, how did it all start for you? How did you start all this?
I can say it's all about God. And you see, it just started as, can I say, joke. Sometimes when I'm asleep, I will be dreaming about cars, how to do cars, and I will be seeing different kind of cars in my dreams.
In your dreams?
So when I wake up, I'll say, okay, what kind of dream is this? So until one day I said, let me see
try something.
Yes. And lose my bumper.
Of which vehicle?
Of one Venza.
Okay.
Not this one.
Okay, it was Venza that you constructed, that you transformed to
this particular Rolls Royce Phantom there.
Wow.
Rolls Royce is a Venza.
Wow.
So I lose the bumper, start with the bumper. Then I said, I first do that elephant face.
Yeah.
So, and after painting it in first start, I saw people like it, snapping pictures, say, wow, what kind of car is this? Oh, wow. Everybody, that's snapping. I said, what? Let me go to another one.
Take it to another level.
Yes, the another one that is bigger. So I'm not seeing this one. I said, let me do this one. As you can see, you see everything is perfect.
Of course, more than perfect.
Yes. So I finished this one, and then that's December time. I said, okay, I'm time to go to village. And my junior brother is doing traditional marriage wedding. So he said me, we will use the car. I don't want to use the car.
Bring it out there.
Bring it out to East. I said, okay, no problem, I will bring it. So I drove from Lagos to East.
Anambra State.
Yes, Anambra State. And after everything, people think that I bought a new Rolls Royce Phantom. I didn't tell anybody. So
Wow.
Until one of my cousins posted it in net, say, so everybody see
and everybody was
everybody said, wow.
The comments, I was even seeing the comments.
And people liked my work, and that is all.
That's super amazing. Like, but did you study any kind of engineering course in school at all?
No, nothing like that.
You are just doing this thing on your own. No,
this thing, should I say, is inbuilt. Or you call it in Igbo, Natalishi. You understand? It's on Natalishi.
Of course.
Yes. So it's not something that is not about school, university. It's what is in you.
So that's now you're not trying to prove to us that it's not a must that you will be in school before you acquire this kind of skill.
Thank you. It's not. It's not about who you are. What is inside you.
Inside of you.
Yes. And God, this is what God gave you. You understand? So I can say it's not all about school. It's not about school. Going to university. It's on Natalishi. I used to call it on Natalishi.
Yes. Exactly. So how many projects have you carried out all this while? How many, like, is this your first project?
This is the major one.
The major project?
Yes, this is the bigger one, this major one. But we are coming out in another bigger one too.
Wow.
Yeah.
So we are expecting something bigger than this Phantom.
Yes.
Wow.
That will shock the whole world.
So we are taking African craft. Taking what Africa can do to the whole world this time around, for them to see that we Africans, we Nigerians, that we are capable of doing something.
This one is not about Africa again. It's not about.
It's global. Because seeing this vehicle now, the design, everything, how perfect everything is. No one will even believe that this was done here in Africa, here in Nigeria.
This particular one is first in the whole world. Should I say first? They want the white people to they call it a Rolls Royce Phantom Vehicle. You have only one door.
One door.
This one have two doors.
Two doors.
And the height of this one and that height of their own is not the same.
They're not the same thing.
This one is more big than their own. So this is another different something.
Wow.
You understand? When they call about two door. It's not one, but their own is one. We are going to another something that will be more.
That will wow the whole world.
Yes,
more magnificent.
Yes,
something like that.
Because there is one that I'm seeing in my dreams. You understand? I've not seen that kind of car in the whole world.
Well, does it mean that once you see it in your dream, you put it together and it will just be that way?
No, it's not something like when you wake up, you see yourself, when you start to work. If you are doing something now, you will see it, it's going. It's not you, it's something inside
you. Yes. Telling you, do it this way, do this one.
If you are doing it like this, when they go, if you do your own, you spoil it.
You spoil it.
Sure, you understand?
But once that inspiration is there,
yes,
you just be, following the direction,
direction, and you see it, everything will be coming out.
Coming into shape.
Yes. You say, well, when you go to your canal on
on a normal level, you can't do it on a normal level.
No, you cannot do it. That is why I say it's God.
It's a super.
Yes.
This is what is called talent.
Do that kind of thing for you.
Wow. So, but where is your will I say your workshop or something like that? Do you have any workshop like where people can come to you and tell you, construct this vehicle for me, do this one for me, do this one for me?
Actually, This one I started it in my house. I started it in my house, but very soon I will have something like that. You know, it's all about money.
Of course, financing.
Yes. It's all
So,
about money.
but at this moment now that you are yet to open an office or a workshop, do you take job from people? Like, do you work for people from your house at the moment?
Yeah, actually, no one yet, but people are coming, sure. The reason why I say no one yet, because I want to build my own make.
Okay. Like your own brand.
Yes.
That people will know, like Phantom,
yes.
Toyota, this one,
Yes.
you have your own brand.
Yes, it's what I want.
Are you up with a name already? Do you have a name already?
Now, I can say I don't want to reveal it.
Okay,
No.
wow, it will be a big secret.
Yes, so it's what I'm coming out. I want to give something that they say is not copy. When you see it, you will not see it anymore.
You know it's original.
Yes, so it's what I'm doing now. But people are coming, sure. People, anybody that call me wants to me, you understand, want me to do
Something for him or her.
Yes, I will do that, but not the make of. You understand?
Oh, okay.
But I will do something that if him bring it out, the car out, you will not see it.
You will not see it anymore.
And the person will enjoy the car. So
okay. Wow. It's so nice meeting you today, and you telling us how it has been for you. Okay, you talked about financing. That's one of the challenges that you're having. So are you open for kind of partnership, like someone that can finance what you're doing, and you guys can partner together and build something big?
Yes, of course. I'm an Igbo man. It's a business, you cannot start it alone. You understand?
Of course.
And when you have something that is strong for you, maybe there are some people that will be that. You understand?
Yeah.
When I put it like this, you're supposed to understand.
Mm-hmm.
I need support. I need
cash. So guys, you guys have heard it, that Engineer Nonso Offor needs you guys financing to take this to the next level. So are you interested in partnering with Mr. Nonso Offor? You can reach out to him using the phone number on the screen, or you can send me a DM.